Third graders, and welcome to Module 5, Lesson 28. I'm here to show you how to answer the problem set on the Chromebook and to go over the math with you a little bit. Again, you don't have to do it on the Chromebook. You can click the hyperlink on slide 2, and that'll take you to the problem set. You can either print that off or just look at that and write it out on a piece of paper, whatever you'd like. Please first make sure you watch the video. You're going to click this link on slide 3. This time it's a little bit different. The video you really need to watch is this middle video, the second video that says concept development. This is going to be your application problem, and this is your fluency practice. Again, these are helpful, but not necessary. The most important video is the second video that's going to teach you the math concepts. Once you watch the video, the teacher on there is going to tell you to pause and to work on the problem set for 10 minutes. That's when you're going to come back here and do some work. So slides 5, 6, and 7 are all very similar. You're going to follow the directions up here. You need to shade the models to compare the fractions and then circle the larger fraction for each problem. So the first thing we're going to do is shade in 2/5. So you're going to grab the part you want to shade in, just like we did on last lessons. I don't know if it was yesterday or not, but last lesson's problem set. You're going to grab the part you want to fill in. You're going to come up here and you're going to see this paint can kind of tilted with paint coming out of it called Fill Color. Click that and you can choose any of the colors to fill it in. And you're going to do 2/5. So we need to do this 2 times. I would try to get the same color, as I do a different shade, just so you'll be able to see the picture a lot better when you do that. Then down here, you need to shade in 2/3. So you're going to grab the part you want to shade in. I would use a different color for this. Let me see what color, okay. And then we need to do that 2 times because it says 2/3. Then you need to look at the picture. Which of these has more color to it? This kind of pinkish one or the blue? The blue is definitely longer, therefore 2/3 is the larger problem. So we're going to move this red circle over the 2/3, just like if you were circling it with a pencil. Okay, so I'm going to leave that one done for you, and then you're going to do 2, 3, 4, and 5 just like that. So here you're going to do 2/10. Again, grab the piece, come up to Fill Color, choose a color you'd like, and do that 2 times, and then do it for 2/8 and determine which of those is bigger. If you make any mistakes, just come over here to this back button and it'll undo it for you. So again, that's slide 5, 6, and 7 has one of them on it. Slides 8, 9, and 10 are also similar, and they're similar to the problems you just did, only it's connected with a story problem. So you are going to read the story problem to find out what fractions Leslie and Kelly did. They were drinking water. It says Leslie drank 3/4, so you need to shade in 3/4. So grab it just like we did before. Fill color. Okay. And do that 3 times. And then Kelly drank 3/5. So you're going to color in 3/5. I already drew it for you to help you out with that. And then down here, I want you to type your answer to this question here. Who drinks, careful, the least amount of water? So we're not looking for the biggest fraction here. We're looking for the smallest. So read carefully. Same thing with number 9. You're going to do the same thing. Use the fractions from the problem. And then you're going to answer this question here. Whose piggy bank has more pennies? So we're looking for the bigger fraction. And then on slide 10, we're going to be looking at 3 different fractions for the height of Heidi's dolls. So you're going to shade them in. And then there's not really, it doesn't look like a question, but they are asking you for an answer. It says compare the heights of the dolls to show how Heidi put them in order. So she put them in order from shortest to tallest. So I want to know if you think doll B is the shortest, you would write doll B is the shortest, and then tell me what doll would go in the middle and what doll is the tallest. Okay, I think you're going to do really, really great with this problem set, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.